Here's the scene. You wake up, grab your morning coffee, check your Etsy dashboard, and see sales rolling in, all while you were sleeping. No packing boxes, no running to the post office, just pure profit from products you created once. Sounds like a dream? Let's make it your reality with digital products on Etsy. Etsy has quickly become the go-to platform for digital product sellers, offering a global reach and easy-to-use interface. Whether you're creating planners, art, or educational resources, Etsy provides a unique opportunity for beginners to access a large, engaged audience with minimal upfront costs. By the end of this video, you'll have the insights to kickstart or scale your Etsy journey. Welcome to Wealthwise Path. Subscribe for more tips on growing your online business. Starting a business often feels expensive, but Etsy simplifies that. With low listing fees and no need for inventory or shipping, Etsy is the perfect platform to test ideas with minimal financial risk. Etsy's built-in audience is one of its biggest strengths. With millions of active buyers already looking for unique products, your shop automatically gains exposure without needing to generate traffic from scratch. Etsy isn't just local, it's global. Your digital products can be purchased by customers worldwide, expanding your reach and increasing sales opportunities. Etsy's powerful search algorithm helps your products get discovered, especially when you align with trending demands. Customizable digital products like wedding templates or eco-friendly designs are rising in popularity. By incorporating trend-aligned keywords in your titles and descriptions, your products can be found by the right buyers, making your marketing efforts much more effective. Etsy is perfectly positioned to cater to these trends, offering a unique opportunity for sellers. With all these advantages, Etsy clearly stands out as a powerhouse for digital product sellers. Now, let's explore the essential steps to launching your own successful Etsy shop. Step 1. Find a profitable niche. In the crowded world of Etsy, a profitable niche is your secret weapon for standing out. Focus on a specific audience with unique needs, creating products tailored to what buyers are actively searching for. Popular niches include digital planners, wedding templates, wall art, and ebooks on personal finance or self-improvement. Use tools like Marmalade or Pinterest to analyze trends and find underserved micro-niches, such as minimalist wedding templates or rustic designs. Narrowing your focus makes it easier to market your shop and outshine the competition. With your niche defined, the next step is turning your ideas into high-quality digital products. Let's explore how to do that effectively. Step 2. Create high-quality digital products. Creating high-quality digital products is the cornerstone of success on Etsy. Quality and value are what build trust, encourage positive reviews, and turn one-time buyers into loyal, repeat customers. To stand out, your products need to offer a polished, professional feel while addressing the needs of your target audience. Popular ideas include Canva templates for resumes or social media posts, eye-catching digital art, and comprehensive social media kits. Tools like Canva, Adobe Illustrator, and Procreate make it easy to design products that look professional, even for beginners. To make your listings shine, use high-quality mock-ups to showcase your products in a real-world context, helping potential buyers visualize their use. Moreover, providing clear instructions or guides with your digital downloads ensures that customers can easily use and customize their purchases, leading to higher satisfaction and more positive feedback. Step 3. Set up your Etsy shop for success and optimize sales. To set up your Etsy shop for success, focus on creating a professional and inviting storefront. First things first, choose a compelling shop name and description that clearly communicates your niche. For example, if you're selling wedding templates, a name like Elegant Event Designs instantly tells buyers what to expect. Once you've nailed that, make sure your listings are optimized with relevant keywords. This will help your shop appear in Etsy search results and boost your visibility. Now, let's talk about those listings. Your thumbnails should be eye-catching and showcase your products in their best light, helping you stand out in Etsy's crowded marketplace. And remember, a cohesive shop aesthetic builds trust with buyers, making them more likely to click buy. Offering product bundles or variations is a game changer. For example, bundle wall art sets with complementary themes or offer different color schemes for templates. This strategy not only attracts a wider audience but also increases your average order value. Once your shop is set up, it's time to turn your attention to driving sales. A key way to do this is by encouraging happy customers to leave reviews. Positive feedback builds credibility and attracts new buyers. To further boost conversions, incorporate FOMO tactics like limited-time discounts or exclusive offers. Buyers love a good deal and the pressure to act quickly. And don't forget about upselling. Suggesting complementary items, like pairing a wedding invitation template with a matching RSVP card, can maximize your revenue with minimal effort. By combining these strategies with a strong shop setup, you'll be well on your way to standing out in Etsy's competitive marketplace and driving success. Step 4. Market your products effectively. Marketing your products effectively is essential to driving traffic to your Etsy shop and standing out from the competition. While Etsy's built-in audience is a great start, promoting your shop outside the platform can take your sales to the next level. Social media marketing is a powerful tool. Use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to showcase your products in action, share behind-the-scenes content, or post customer success stories. Focus on creating visually engaging content that resonates with your target audience and sparks interest. When collaborating with influencers, choose ones who align with your brand and target audience. Look for creators in your niche, like wedding planners for wedding templates or teachers for educational printables. Negotiate partnerships where they review your products, create tutorials, or feature them in promotions. These collaborations add credibility and expose your shop to a larger audience. Pinterest SEO is another must-have strategy. By designing optimized pins with catchy titles and clear descriptions, you can direct significant traffic to your shop from Pinterest's highly active and visual user base. Don't overlook Etsy ads, which can boost your shop's visibility within the platform and help your listings reach potential buyers actively searching for products like yours. Tips for long-term success on Etsy. Long-term success on Etsy requires consistent effort and a proactive approach. Keep your shop fresh by regularly adding new products, including seasonal offerings, to stay relevant. Use tools like Marmalade and Etsy Analytics to track trends, measure performance, and refine your strategies based on data. Diversify your product range to cater to different customer needs and reduce dependency on a single offering. Stay informed about Etsy trends, algorithm changes, and policies to remain competitive. Customer experience is key. Respond promptly to messages, address concerns with care, and provide exceptional service. Positive reviews build credibility and attract more buyers, laying the foundation for a thriving, sustainable Etsy business. With that being said, Etsy offers an incredible opportunity for digital sellers to turn creativity into profit with minimal investment. Whether you're a designer, writer, or have a unique idea, Etsy can help you transform your passion into a thriving business. So, why wait? Start your Etsy journey today and unlock your potential. We'd love to hear from you. Share your digital product ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building a successful online business with Wealthwise Path.